Have you ever found yourself staring at a bag of baby carrots in the grocery store, wondering if they really live up to all the hype? I mean, we hear so much about these crunchy little wonders, but do they actually have amazing health effects? Or is it just another trend? Well, let's dive into the world of raw carrots and see what they really bring to the table, or should I say, to the snack bowl. First off, let's talk about what makes carrots so special. Carrots are packed with vitamins and minerals, and they're especially known for their high beta-carotene content, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Now, why is vitamin A so important? It's crucial for our vision, immune function, and even skin health. So, if you're munching on those raw carrots, you're not just enjoying a snack. You're actually doing something great for your body. And let's be real, who doesn't want to have good eyesight? Imagine being able to see those beautiful sunsets or read the fine print on your favorite book without squinting. But wait, there's more. Carrots are also an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. You know those days when you feel a bit sluggish? Well, fiber helps keep things moving in your gut, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. So, if you're looking for a natural way to keep your digestive system happy, those raw carrots might just be your best friend. Plus, they're low in calories, which makes them a guilt-free snack option. You can crunch on them while binge-watching your favorite show and not feel like you're sabotaging your health goals. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of antioxidants. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, which help protect our bodies from oxidative stress and inflammation. This is super important because oxidative stress can lead to various chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. By incorporating raw carrots into your diet, you're not just snacking. You're actually fighting back against these potential health issues. How cool is that? It's like having a tiny superhero in your lunchbox. And here's something that might surprise you. Raw carrots can actually help improve your dental health. Chewing on crunchy foods stimulates saliva production, which helps wash away food particles and bacteria. So next time you're munching on those carrots, think of them as a natural toothbrush. They can help keep your teeth clean and your gums healthy. Just imagine a simple snack that not only satisfies your cravings, but also contributes to your oral hygiene. That's a win-win in my book. Now, let's address something that often comes up in discussions about raw carrots, their glycemic index. For those who might not be familiar, the glycemic index measures how quickly a food raises your blood sugar levels. Carrots have a relatively low glycemic index, which means they won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar. This is great news for anyone watching their sugar intake or managing conditions like diabetes. So, if you're looking for a healthy snack that won't send your blood sugar soaring, grab those raw carrots and enjoy. But I know what you might be thinking. Okay, this all sounds great, but what about the taste? Are raw carrots really that delicious? And to that I say, absolutely. Raw carrots have this delightful crunch and a natural sweetness that can satisfy your snack cravings without the need for added sugars or unhealthy ingredients. You can dip them in hummus, pair them with guacamole, or just enjoy them plain. They're versatile, and you can get creative with how you eat them. And let's not forget about the vibrant color. Eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables is not only good for your health, but also makes your meals more visually appealing. It's like a feast for your eyes and your taste buds. Now, let's talk about the convenience factor. Raw carrots are incredibly easy to prepare. You can wash them, peel them if you like, and they're ready to go. No complicated recipes or cooking required. Just grab a handful, toss them in your bag, and you've got a nutritious snack on the go. This is especially helpful for those of us with busy lifestyles. It's so easy to reach for unhealthy snacks when we're in a rush, but having raw carrots on hand can help you make healthier choices without even thinking about it. Of course, like anything, moderation is key. While raw carrots are super healthy, it's essential to have a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables. You don't want to rely solely on one food for all your nutrients, but incorporating raw carrots into your daily routine can definitely give you that extra boost of vitamins and minerals you need. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook those raw carrots. They may seem simple, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your vision, boost your immune system, or simply enjoy a crunchy snack, raw carrots have got you covered. They're not just a sidekick in your veggie platter. They're a superhero in disguise, ready to help you on your health journey. In conclusion, raw carrots really do have amazing health effects. They're nutritious, delicious, and oh so convenient. So, let's give a round of applause to these humble orange sticks. Next time you take a bite, remember all the fantastic things they're doing for your body. And who knows, you might just find yourself falling in love with this crunchy snack all over again. Cheers to carrots!